Ako ba itutungtong ng kolehiyo? Makakagraduate ba ako? Can I cope with college life? Itong mga honor students, siguro nag-aalala. Ano kaya ang klaseng kompetisyon na naghihintay sa akin? And I was thinking exactly the same thing because young ladies and gentlemen, Congressman Roy Logoles is like you, a graduate of public school. Okay, kung mag-graduate, iniisip ko, ano kaya ko ba ang kompetisyon doon sa mga private schools? Nag-aalala ko doon, can I handle it? Sapagkat ang tingin namin noon, public school lang kami. But I'd like to tell you, don't worry about that. Because I am very sure that the city government of Parañaque, the division of education of Parañaque, have done enough. Yung mga teachers dito, yung mga faculty dito, yung principal dito, ginawa ang lahat in order to prepare you. And I know, deep in my heart, that you can compete very well when you go to college. Kayang-kaya niya yan. It all depends on you. Nasa inyong mga kabayan. Sapagkat ako, kahit na public school, I managed to cope also. I went to a business school, katulad ni Secretary Lapus, siya sa AIM, nagturo din ako ron, ako sa UP. Hindi naman nahuli ang isang public school graduate sa University of Philippines MBA program because modesty aside, when I took my MBA in UP, I graduated valedictorian, katulad ng valedictorian dito. Public school lang. Pero pwede naman. That is my challenge to all of you. Para sa mga hindi naman nag-honor graduate, hindi nakatanggap ng mga medalya, katulad ng mga may medalya ngayon. Don't worry about it. Because Roy Logoles, when he graduated in high school, did not get any medal. Ordinaryong graduate ako, of course, section 1, no? Ordinaryong graduate. But when I went to college, ginawa ko ang lahat para maka-make up dun sa mga medyo nahuli ako ng konti no, ako'y nasa high school. Kaya huwag kayo mag-alala yung mga gumraduate na walang medalya, you can do as well. Nasa kamay niyo yan. It all depends on you. At para sa mga honor students dito, my advice to you is do not rest on your laurels. Huwag niyo akalain na porque kayo ay gumraduate ng valedictorian, salutatorian, first honorable mention, that is enough. Because when you go to college, you're going to meet a lot of competition. Again, nasa kamay niyo yan. Mga kasama, you are entering college during a time when life is very exciting. Ang dami mga challenges na naghihintay in the field of engineering, in the field of science, in practically all fields. I look at you today and I know that some of you will become doctors, engineers, lawyers. Some of you will probably enter politics. Baka this gentleman here, this young gentleman here, will someday become a counselor. Maybe this young lady here will become the mayor of Parañaque. And maybe that gentleman way back there na hindi nakatanggap ng medal, katulad ko, walang medalya ng gumraduate, baka maging congressman ka rin ng Parañaque. Everything is possible. It all depends on you. Mga kasama, ilang minuto na lang, gagraduate na kayo. Ilang minuto na lang, iiwanan na itong Parañaque National High School. And I know that when this happens, you will have mixed feelings. Marami sa inyo, tutulo yung luha pagkatapos ng graduate. Sapagkat parati niyong iisipin yung mga maiiwan nyo rito. Tinitingnan ko yung mga lalaki, patingin-tingin ko sa mga babae doon sa kapila. Titingnan yung mga, alam ko dito sa high school, dito marahil muna rin naramdaman yung tibok ng pag-ibig. Totoo yan. Kami ni Mayor Bernabe, alala namin, nung high school, doon namin unang naranasan yung first love. Nagkakatawa kami ni Mayor Bernabe, nagpapalitan kami ng guro-guro, we're very close. Nagkakatawa kami, junior senior pa, naamoy ko pa rin yung buhok niya pag nagsasayaw ko. Yung mga memories of high school. And ladies and gentlemen, sigurado ako, yan maalala nyo rin. Many years after graduation. Titignan niyo yung mga crush nyo, yan. Tignan niyo yung mga magagandang nilag doon sa kabila. Tignan niyo doon, tignan niyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Pagdating niyo sa college, meron kayo mamimili na iba din. Pero hindi niyo makakalimutan yung mga naging kaklase dito. Hindi niyo makakalimutan yung mga teachers ninyo. Lalo na yung mga mababait na teacher at yung mga hindi masyadong mabait na teacher. Meron ba mga terror dito? Ayan, hindi niyo makakalimutan yung mga terror teacher. But ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, yung akala niyo mga terror teachers, actually hindi sila terror. Talagang iniisip lang nila ang inyong kapakanan, nag-i-strict sila, but many years from now, you will remember them. Sila maalala niyo. So I'd like to end by sharing with you your happiness. I'd like to end by sharing the happiness now felt by your parents who sacrificed so much to make sure that you're here today, and who will continue to sacrifice more to guide you, to help you, to assist you when you go to college and even beyond. Kaya yan ang mensahe ko sa inyo. Huwag niyong kakalimutan ang inyong alma mater. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung mga faculty members niyo. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung lahat ng mga taong tumulong sa inyo para kayo'y nandito ngayon at tutulong pa sa inyong patuloy na paglalakbay. Sa muli, gusto ko sabihin na ilang minuto na lang mag-ihiwa-hiwalay na kayo. Mag-iiyakan kayo mamaya, sigurado yun. But this is part of high school, hindi nyo makakalimutan. So once again, young ladies and gentlemen, mga kababayan ko dito sa Parañaque National High School, I bid you Godspeed, I bid you good luck, and I am with you and your parents in praying for a bright future for you. Congratulations sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Congressman Roy Rigoles, for that inspiring message. We would like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Rico